Hello students, today we will be solving a problem from class 10 biology, our environment. Here the question says, will the impact of removing all the organisms in a trophic level be different for different trophic levels? Can the organism of any trophic level be removed without causing any damage to ecosystem? So let's see here what is trophic level. So in our environment there is food chain, and each step of food chain is called trophic level. Like there are some producers like plants which can prepare their own food, and these producers are eaten by some primary consumers. And in primary consumers we have herbivores like rabbit. Then these primary consumers are eaten by secondary consumers, and in secondary consumers we have carnivores like fox. So there can be tertiary consumers also. So this is the food chain, and each step like producer, primary consumer and secondary consumer at food chain, it is called trophic level. So if we remove the producers, which is a trophic level, so primary consumers and secondary consumers will die, because if producers are not there, the primary consumers are not getting food, they die. If primary consumers are not there, then secondary consumers will also not get food, they will die. If primary consumers are not there, they are absent, so secondary consumer directly die. They do not get food from primary consumers, while producers can become in large amount, their population can increase, because there is no one which are using these producers now, so they can increase and die in small amount by competition and other things. So there is different impact of different organisms in each trophic level. The impact of removing organisms of a trophic level is different for different trophic levels. For example, if we remove producers, no organism will get food in food chain. Food chain, this is different impact. And if we remove primary consumers, then secondary consumers do not get food, and producers increase in number. So there is different impact of removing different organisms from different trophic level. Impact is different for different organisms, and if we remove a trophic level, so there is a damage to ecosystem. Always, if we remove a trophic level, the damage will occur in ecosystem. It cannot be prevented. Removing this, so removing trophic level from ecosystem will cause damage, guys. Because all trophic levels are interlinked. So we can't remove, guys. We can't remove any trophic level without causing any kind of damage to the ecosystem. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube